Hello guys, in this video we'll study how to connect ESP32 microcontroller with a TCP server. So let's get started. First we'll take a on start event node, connect with Wi-Fi start node, we'll configure a node, specify a Wi-Fi SSID, we'll specify a Wi-Fi password, and the output will get success code. To connect with TCP, we'll take a TCP connect node, connect with the flow. In the TCP connect node properties, we'll select our connection type TCP, IP type IP4, and we'll specify our IP address. We'll specify our TCP server port number. In the output, we'll get two parameters, socket and success code. We'll send data to our TCP server. For that, we'll take a TCP send node. In the TCP send node, we have to specify our socket, so we'll pass our socket variable and we'll send string hello Smowcode. To receive data from TCP server, we'll take a TCP receive node. In the TCP receive node, we have to specify a socket, so we'll pass our socket variable. In the output, we'll get two parameters, received string and success code. To print the received string in the serial display, we'll take a display node. Connect with the flow. In the display node, we'll pass our variable received string. To disconnect TCP, we'll take a TCP disconnect node. Let's save the flow, verify the flow, and we are good to upload it. Let's go to our serial display. Our Wi-Fi got connected and the message is printed on our TCP server. Let's send some message from our TCP server such as hello, send, and here the TCP has received data and we have also disconnected it.